Welcome to Aziana and Liziana's toy review. Hi!
Hi!
We have some more egg surprise.
So many egg surprise, right?
And we will play some egg surprise challenge.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. Close your eyes. Careful.
Wow, mine is a
We're
lot.
done. Okay. You count. You first. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
9.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. We're saying 16.
Yes, mine is a lot.
Okay, let's open. You first.
I got some num num.
I got some yo-yo.
I got some Chum Chum.
I got some rabbit.
I got some Lego.
It's a Lego doctor. I got some, what's this? It's Fluttershy. Fluttershy.
I got some Hello Kitty again.
I got some ballerina. Cute ballerina.
I get some plate again.
I get some half of lemon.
Yeah, I get. I get some Hello Kitty keychain.
I get some Wonder Woman real cars.
I get some Hello Kitty.
I got some.
Yes,
What's this?
Someone.
it's Luna Girl.
I got some Luna girl. Look at that
I
face.
got some.
Sparkle.
Sparkle, my little pony.
I got some Rainbow Dash.
I get some. What's this?
And some. Who's that?
A vampire.
No, it's not a vampire.
What?
It's
A witch.
yeah, it's a witch. I get some Hello Kitty witch.
I get some Nemo.
I get some Peppa Pig. Oh, Peppa Pig. Wow, wow, wow.
I get some dog princess.
I got some Sky. Wee, Sky.
I get some kitty. Meow, meow.
I got some Hello Kitty again. Copy Hello Kitty.
I have Hello Kitty too. This one is mine, right?
No, it's yours.
Oh.
Where's it to go?
We just twins again.
Oh!
What's that?
Ah! I got some Minnie Mouse car.
I got some Pikachu.
I got some Lego girl. Wow, she has makeup.
I get some Chum Chum.
I get some teapot. Teapot, pot, pot.
Hey, now there's no more. Oh yeah. I get some purse.
It's a nurse purse. I get some Hello Kitty heart.
No, I don't have now.
Don't have to now. So,